President Asif Ali Zardari, Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, and Chief of the Army Staff General Syed Asim Munir have expressed full solidarity with the people of the occupied Kashmir. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, in a message on the Kashmir Solidarity Day being observed today, said the recent developments in the Middle East amply showed that the long-standing disputes should not be allowed to fester. On Kashmir Solidarity Day, Chairman of the Joint Chiefs of the Staff Committee, the Service Chiefs and the Pakistan Armed Forces reaffirmed their unwavering support for the resilient people of the occupied Kashmir in their just struggle for self-determination. In a press release issued by the Inter-Services Public Relations said, "We pay tribute to the indomitable spirit of the Kashmiri people who have endured decades of oppression, state-sponsored brutality and egregious human rights violations. Their unwavering resolve in the face of tyranny remains a beacon of courage and inspiration for the entire nation." Posters bearing "Thank You Pakistan" slogans and the Pakistani flag once again appeared in the Srinagar and other parts of the occupied Kashmir today. The people and the government of Pakistan were praised for showing solidarity with the Kashmiris. The posters read, "Thank you Pakistan for effectively raising the Kashmir issue at all the global platforms." Rallies and public gatherings were held across Azad Kashmir to express solidarity with the people of occupied Kashmir. A rally titled "Shukriya Pakistan, Thank You Pakistan" was held in Mirpur to mark the Kashmir Solidarity Day. The event was organized under the joint banner of Jammu Kashmir, Pir Panjal Freedom Movement, Mujahideen Ittihad Forum and Jamaat-e-Islami Youth Azad Kashmir. Jailed senior leader of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference and chairman of the Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, Shabir Ahmad Shah, has expressed deep gratitude to the government and the people of Pakistan for their unwavering solidarity with the struggling people of the occupied Kashmir. In a message from Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, Shabir Ahmad Shah extended heartfelt thanks to Pakistan for its steadfast support of the Kashmiris' just demand for the right to self-determination. Members of the Pakistani and the Kashmiri diaspora voiced solidarity with the people of occupied Kashmir in their struggle for self-determination. Embassy of the Pakistan in the France organized a special event today to mark the Kashmir Solidarity Day. The event was attended by the members of the Pakistani diaspora, overseas Kashmiris and journalists.